Morning guys, it's James. So today, apart from the fact that I'm bunged up with cold, nothing more sinister, just a cold, we are in a 2016 Jaguar F-Pace. So we've done quite a few of these on a front and rear camera system, and we've done an awful lot of rear camera systems. This particular model is quite difficult, quite tricky, because the whole rear spoiler has to come off for us to get the rear camera wiring through from the boot lid. But we've done it, it's all in and done and dusted, and this customer has also opted for the front camera as well, which is absolutely amazing because it does look really good. So we've got the normal nav system here. It's touchscreen. It is the 8-inch screen as opposed to the 10.2, and quite a few of the models, including the F-Type and the Evoque and the XC and XF, had this particular setup in here as well. So what we're going to do is we're in drive. I'm going to pop it into reverse. As soon as we go into reverse gear, we've got a nice clean image of the back of the car with the superimposed guidelines. As soon as I turn the steering wheel, we've got moving guidelines. Nice, clean and nice and clear like so. It's quite a bright day today, which is quite nice, so you're just going to see in the back of our workshop, but the screen fills the whole of the factory screen, or the image fills the whole of the factory screen. And as soon as we take it out of reverse and go into drive, we've programmed the front camera to work for 11 seconds. So some of the systems you actually need to have a push button switch, and we don't want that because we want this to have a factory feel as much as possible. So let's pop it into drive. And then as soon as we've done that, we've gone into drive. But now we don't have any moving guidelines on the front camera system at all. We only have the guidelines on the rear system. So our 11 seconds have gone out or timed out. Go back into the reversing image. Again, you've got your moving guidelines. The factory parking sensors, as you can see from the image, is on, so if we were to reverse up to something or drive up to something, you will get the audible beeps. On the bigger screen, the 10.2, in most instances we can offer you a smaller image with the parking sensors. To be fair, I would much prefer to have the audible beeps from the parking sensors but have the full screen for the car. So if I was to now put it into drive, and we have angled this camera to be as low as possible so that you can see, that's it, go, just pull up to the, might just be able to hear the parking sensors now, just to prove to you that they are all working. Just pop it back into reverse gear. Really clear image on these screens, so the factory screen doesn't let it down. Of course, this rear image is not timed, it's as long as you are in reverse gear. So we're going up, you can hear the rear sensors. And again, the guidelines are just guidelines, so they're there to show you the trajectory of where you're going to end up. Pop it back into drive, and you can see clearly, we can see probably 30 odd feet in front of us with that front camera. So it's a nice wide angle, and it's really well positioned on the front of the lower bumper. So Jaguar 2016 F-Pace. Using all the factory controls, we fitted an aftermarket reversing camera interface with moving guidelines and a really low and discreet, sexy looking front camera, and this is great for you to do all parking manoeuvres and to protect your investment. If you've got a Jaguar or a Volvo or an Audi, Volkswagen, any car that's got a factory screen that you want a decent quality specialist job done for a parking camera system, then please get in touch with us. And we're now also going to showcase next week our new 360 high definition system for motorhomes and bigger vehicles. So please get in touch with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.